Hello there, my name is Elaine van Zeeberg. I'm a grade 2 educator at Parkview Junior School in Johannesburg. I want to talk about mathematics today, and in particular, the vocabulary that is needed to understand maths. I have to teach the children the number 11. I have to teach them all the bonds that make up 11, and then I have to teach them the place value of 11. So this is how I do it, and it's been very successful and the children really enjoy it. We take a piece of paper or a whiteboard. In the center of this paper, you make a little square. In the square, you write the number 11. Now we are going to find out things about 11, but no sums. So, first of all, it has a number name. So we write a number name, and the children can see the number name. Number 2, is it an odd number or is it an even number? We discuss it, the children decide it's an odd number. We write the word odd. Then we decide, where does this number 11 stand? On the number line. So it has to stand behind a number. So 11 stands behind 10. And we write behind 10. Number 11 also stands in front of a number on the number line. It stands in front of 12. And we write in front of 12. Then we know that it also has to stand between numbers. And we look at the number line and discover that it stands between 10 and 12. Now, this number can be doubled or this number can be halved. So we discuss. Double 11 will be 22, so we write double and we write 22. And when we halve this number, we have to share it out and find the half. Then we discover that it is half of 11 is 5 and a half. Look at all the things that we are discovering about the number 11 without doing any bonds. Now, if the children understand this first, the place value, the value of the number, the bonds are going to be so easy. We also have more than and less than, which the children use from grade 1 right up to matric to understand maths. So we have to decide, 11 is 5 more than 6, or 11 is 4 less than 7. And we show the children the signs, more than and less than. Now the children have discovered 10 facts about 11 before even doing any sum. It's the same, I tell the children, like I have to find out, are you a boy, are you a girl? What do you like, what do you not like? So once I know all those things about you, then I know you. So once the learners know all the things about a number, they will know the number and its value, its place value, and the sums that make up the number is going to be even easier. So after the children have now discovered this and you've worked on your piece of paper or on your whiteboard, it is then so easy to give them a little bank packet or any plastic packet. And in my one I've got 11 beans because we are doing number 11. The one side of the beans are sprayed gold. You can use any color. And then they shake the beans and throw it. Then they count how many are gold. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, so they write the number 7 and a plus, and then they count how many beans are white. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. They write it. Remember, teachers not giving any sums. Children are discovering this. They throw again, and now I've got 6 white ones, and then I've got 5 gold ones. And I write the sum 6 plus 5. And I continue until I've got 11 sums. Once I have 11 sums, I must make sure that all the numbers 0 to 11 is represented amongst my sums. When I've got that, I know I've got all my bonds. Now I'm going to the board to go and show you how to write the bonds. Then once they have now discovered the bonds of 11, you have to write the bonds of 11. So today we are going to write bonds of 11. And we are going to do plus and minus. The first sum we are going to do is 0 plus. The children need to understand when they're writing bonds, always start from the smallest number to the biggest number. And the first sum is going to be 0 plus 11 equals 11. And they continue with all their sums. The next sum will be 1 plus 10 equals 11. Very soon they discover the pattern, because remember, maths is all about patterning. Which number comes next? 2 plus. And that's how they remember their math sums. The next number will be 3, etc. until the end. Once you've written all the numbers 1 to 5, we have to go to the other side to do the partner. It's important for the children to know that every sum has got a partner. So on this side, we are going to start on 11 plus 0 equals 11. And they go down and do the same with all the sums. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 9. We first do all the plus sums. The plus sums with their plus partners. Because the children need to understand that each sum can make 2 sums in essence. There's 0 plus 11 and 11 plus 0. It's different pictures. They need to see that on this side I've got 8 and on this side I've got 3. And in the other sum I'll have 3 on this side and 8 on that side. Like I said, they now have to make sure that they've got all the numbers from 0 to 11. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yay, I've got all my numbers. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I've got all my plus bonds. Then when they are comfortable with a plus, we are going to do the minus. And the minus is done exactly the same. Once they've written all their sums, again they have to check whether they've got the numbers 0 to 11. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yay, I've got all my bonds of 11. Today I tried to show you a way, an exciting way, to introduce new numbers to your children. This has worked for me and it can work for you. Once the children understand to look for patterns and they understand all the vocabulary of maths, it becomes quite exciting for them. And they will come up with more things for you as the numbers increase. You can use this method and methodology for any number. Once they've discovered the value and the place value of 11, you carry it over into writing the bonds, and once they understand the bonds, they know the number, and you can carry on to number 12 and 13, etc. I hope this is going to work for you. It really works for me. And I've discovered this along the way. So good luck, enjoy, maths can be fun.